Oh, these traffic lights are taking forever. Hey guys, it's been a while. I am gonna start walking. It's been a while. I think the last video I posted would have been like maybe June or July. I don't know, it was before I went to Bulgaria, and then after that I had a few videos planned. I actually had a lot of footage to edit, but some of it is actually missing. I started editing it properly the other day, and some of it's with me, some of it's back in Tagatai. So yeah. Anyway, Mum, hey girl, what you wearing? Mum and I are here in BGC at the moment. My parents and I were looking for apartments. We may have found one. Once we move in, I'll give you guys the exact address. Obviously I'm joking. But I was hoping to actually settle in before I start vlogging, because my plan was once we move in and settle, I can start vlogging full-time. But I don't know when we're gonna get to a point where we're settled in. So I'm thinking of doing raw vlogs. So they're gonna be like completely unedited, no music, no titles, no quick cuts, just basically maybe a 5 or 10 minute video of me doing something. What do you guys think? If you're into that, let me know. By the way, I was in SNR yesterday in BGC, and I came across this, which is clear Coca-Cola, and I posted it on Instagram, I think Instagram stories, and you guys all really wanted to know, well, not all of you because that would have been very overwhelming, but a lot of you guys wanted to know what it tastes like. I haven't actually tried it yet. I was planning to do it on camera. I didn't want to do it in the apartment because it was too dark or too messy. Now I don't actually know where to do it. I might just do it like at a restaurant somewhere. We'll see. But I'm pretty curious. I looked it up. This is actually clear because they took out the caramel flavor and instead it's got a lemon flavor. So I think it might end up tasting like Sprite or lemony. I don't know. I'm very curious. It's got 0 calories. Don't really care about that. I'm very interested in the flavor though. And it's got 1% of something. I don't know what, maybe 1% no, sugar? I don't know. Anyway, I will try it in a bit and let you guys know what I think. If you guys have tried it, let me know in the comments below. This is the first time I've seen it. I think it's something new in the Philippines. They've introduced it first in Japan, which kind of makes sense because Japan's pretty experimental with that kind of stuff, but yeah. I wonder whether it'll take off here. Okay, so I'm gonna do the taste test of this. I'm at St. Louis, by the way. I'm always here, you guys. If you're ever in BGC and you're like, I wonder if Simona's here, you should stop by and have a squiz because I'm here at the moment, like every day. I love their sandwiches and their ice cream, and I'm putting on weight, so it's a problem. Anyway, I was here and my Coke was getting warm, and my friend Brett, who's one of the owners, he was like, let me put it in the blast freezer for you just to chill it a bit, and we left it in there for like 10 hours and it froze. So it's started to defrost. It should be fine for drinking, and I really shouldn't be shaking it, but yeah, I'm gonna try it. I'm really hoping it's not gonna explode. The bubbles may no longer be fizzy, but it should still taste the same. Anyway, all right. I'm using like their menus as a stand. I hope they don't mind. Oh man. I can feel pressure building, but Guys, usually I make a mess, but... And it's bubbling. Okay, so it wasn't actually in the freezer for 10 hours. It was in there for like 20 minutes, but yeah. It smells like 7-Up. It definitely doesn't taste like 7-Up. I think I like it. So it's like, it's definitely, it kind of tastes like Coke and lemonade like squished together. You can kind of taste the lemon. It's not very acidic. It's actually, you guys are gonna hate me saying this all the time, it's really sweet. But I for some reason, I feel like the Coke Zero like is really sweet. I feel like it's sweeter than the normal Coke, but it could just be in my head. Yeah, this isn't bad at all. Yeah, no, it's good. If you guys try it, let me know what you think. I'm confused. I don't know what to think. It's like Coke and lemonade mixed together. Obviously, you don't get that caramel taste, but it's like it's not that. I feel like it's not that prominent, and I feel like Coke normally tastes a little bit more lemony than other soft drinks. I don't know. It's been so long since I've vlogged, guys. I don't even know what I'm talking about. And I'm getting a lot of weird looks from people. So anyway, this is good. I'm gonna see if I can add more to this vlog. Again, it's not gonna be edited, so I'm really sorry if you're not into this, let me know. You guys really went into the mini vlogs, which is kind of good because for mini vlogs, it was actually like a lot of effort, and I didn't think it was really worth it. So if you don't mind the unedited stuff, yeah, I will just upload for a couple of months some of the unedited stuff. Yeah, my mum and I are gonna head to a restaurant soon. If it's a nice restaurant, I'll vlog it. If it's not a nice restaurant, I might vlog it as well.